From here, it is almost 1000 kilometers to Bhutan. Feels like we are driving through rivers on either sides. And the city beneath.
Begusara railway station on your left side, and you can see a big Indian flag.
Time to relax on the khatia or the cart. Now there has been some change of plans. Instead of directly going to Siliguri, जा रहे हैं हम लोग भूटान. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are starting our journey from Labra Panchanpur, that Gaya, that comes in Bihar. We are going to Bhutan. So it is early morning, and me and my big brother, we are going to Bhutan. We have taken the blessings of our mother, and we will start our journey. And from here, we will meet you in the vehicle. So we have started our journey, and from here, it is almost 1000 kilometers to Bhutan. So stay connected. We'll show you everything in the journey. So we have packed all of our belongings. We have our luggage, and we have also packed water bottles, and we have food which our mother prepared early in the morning, and we will eat it later in the journey. It's early morning, so as you can see, sunrise. So we are still in the journey. Our goal is to reach Siliguri, which is about 500 kilometers from where we are currently. We are driving on Dobhi-Patna highway, and from here it is about 500 kilometers. So that is going to be our first stop at day one, if we could reach in time. Otherwise, we will let you know where we are going to stop. Now we have stopped our vehicle. This is our first stop. We will take tea.
75 किलो बेचले ना हिया हाउ.
So we finished taking our tea. The tea taste was normal, like it was 10 rupees a cup. As you saw the size of the cup. Now we are going to resume our journey. Stay connected, guys. We are currently at Fathuha. and approximately 450 kilometers from here would be our Siliguri. This is NH31. Feels like we are driving through rivers on either sides. However, this could be water from the Ganga river. This is a very nice highway, NH31, that is going towards the Begusarai right now. Very well maintained highway and very few pots on the road. My brother has driven for 200 kilometers since when we have started. Still continuing to drive. These palm trees gives the feeling of Florida that I have watched in some of the cities I've never been to.
Suspension bridge है.
This is a suspension bridge that you see.
राइट साइड में लो, बहुत अच्छा है. इसका लो यार, ब्रिज का. नहीं तो पीछे वाले सीट पे जाके बना के बहुत अच्छा बना. बहुत अच्छा है.
This is Ghat of the river and the city beneath.
रेलवे स्टेशन है.
It's a railway station actually, and on the front you would see the thermal power plant.
गंगा घाट, सिमरिया, बेगूसराय. तिरंगा झंडा पूरा इस्तेमाल होता है ना. ये 2-3 को दिख गया.
We have
see the Begusarai railway station on your left side.
Yes, this is Begusarai railway station on the left side,
And you can see a big Indian flag.
and big Indian flag is there. Jai Hind. जय भारत, जय बिहार। The train is halted at the station. This is Begusarai district city, and from here we are still 346 kilometers behind to Siliguri. We have a long hard journey ahead, so stay with us. So me and brother were discussing about the tolls that are coming in every 100 kilometers or even less. So it's like pandemic, you know, you are just driving for 60 kilometers and you have to pay at multiple tolls, and this is something that bothers the middle class, or any class for that matter. Tolls should not be there within, multiple tolls shouldn't be there within 100 kilometers. Doesn't make any sense. So almost brother has already driven for 250 kilometers and no signs of stopping on the face and no tiredness as we continue the journey towards Siliguri, ultimately leading to Bhutan. So we are making a second stop for day one at around 250 kilometers of driving. We'll take some tea and we'll eat the food which mother had prepared in the morning. Behind me is Kadam tree, and I see that the Kadam just fell on the road. It's very sour, but tastes good. Here is our beast. This is the spot where we are going to take tea and eat.
इधर शाकाहारी भोजन मिलता है।
हाँ,
चंपारण साइड तो खाली मीट जुबान।
बढ़िया चाय बना भैया। चाय बोला है।
हाँ, चाय बोला। और कुछ चाहिए?
ना,
कोल्ड ड्रिंक कुछ?
चाय पी। So after taking heavy food at the Satyam Dhaba, it's time to relax on the khatiya or the khat. Very comfortable. This area is totally surrounded by kadam trees, and in between is this dhaba, Satyam Dhaba, at a very good location. Let me show you around. Look at the kadam peड़ and its fruit. Since the vehicle has been driven for about 250 kilometers from where we started, so we are getting the air in the tires checked. Just beside the dhaba also, the same owner has the air shop. Brother is backing the vehicle now. Excess of air in the tire because it has been running continuously for 250 kilometers. It's important to get it checked. Now I will be driving. Bhaiya is going to lay down and relax a bit, and then I'm going to drive hopefully 250 kilometers. I have driven approx 150 kilometers, total close to 400 kilometers in between both of us, and we are near to Purnia, and we still have a total of 177 kilometers left to Siliguri. Now stay with us. हाईवे पे भी टोल कट जाए नहीं
ये तो कटना तो काटे
अभी तक इधर 400 का टोल कट चुका है 400 रुपया का अभी तक 405 नाम लिए हैं उस शैतान ने Now there has been some change of plans. Instead of directly going to Siliguri, now we will be going to Jaigaon directly, which is a border area near Bhutan. So still we have 200 and some kilometers to cover. We have made another stop at the tea stall. Actually it is Blue Stick Feast restaurant. Dal Khola. Dal Khola. Now we have reached in Bengal, and what we see is that there are so many potholes on the road. The condition of the road is really bad. We still have 243 kilometers to Jaigaon to travel. Bhaiya is driving again. We'll see if we can make it today, or else we will stay tonight and then continue the journey tomorrow. जा रहे हैं हम लोग भूटान में जा रहे हैं। हाँ
हार वाला कोई फर्क नहीं, चलावे चल गया। देख रहे हो ओवरटेक किया इसने रोड में, चले ले जा रहा है।
Very bad condition of National Highway 27 in West Bengal, especially.
यहाँ पे टोल नहीं लेना चाहिए।
They should not collect the toll here
इतना घटिया
if the road is such.
इतना घटिया रोड के लिए कोई टोल कैसे ले सकता है?
Yes. If you are collecting the toll, then at least the least you can do is give us a road, shock-free road. But it makes so difficult to even travel 100 kilometer on such roads because of the potholes.
अब थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में।
It is around 5-8 p.m. now, and what we see is a light shower, rainfall, very beautiful weather, and we still have 157 kilometer to Jaigaon, and Bhaiya is still driving. So we are planning that we will be covering this entire left kilometers and reach Jaigaon. It has been such a wonderful journey, starting in the morning and just taking 1.5 hours of max break, so close to 10 hours of driving, and so many sceneries, so many places, very nice. ये सब अथिया होगा हमको लगता है ना. We were wandering on both sides of the road. Seems like it's a tea plantations, because we are very close to Darjeeling now, and there is this toll now. Out of the several tolls that we have already paid and crossed, this is one of them. We have made a stop at a dhaba named Amar Vaishno Dhaba, which seems like a pure veg restaurant or dhaba. Is operated by a Punjabi person. So from here we have 30 kilometers more to travel for Jaigaon, and then we have already driven close to 700 kilometers. So we'll eat dinner and finish off and find a hotel and crash.
टुकड़ा रहता है ना, इसी उसी को घासते
And this is our hotel room where we are staying. It costed 1800 rupees. Since we are very much tired now, we are going to end the day 1, and tomorrow we will start fresh on day 2. We'll keep you posted regarding the charges for the Bhutan and whatever the documents that are required. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Subscribe to the channel. Take care.